Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a circular base in ARK, Survival Evolved. We'll cover the essential steps to create a perfectly round structure, ensuring a strong and aesthetically pleasing foundation. You'll learn about material selection, precise placement techniques, and how to overcome common building challenges. Get ready to transform your ARK base into an impressive circular fortress with these proven methods. To begin, place a single foundation as your central anchor point. Next, strategically position 8 to 12 more foundations around this center, forming the initial outline of your circle. The key is maintaining consistent spacing between each piece to ensure perfect symmetry. Consider using a temporary pillar or fence foundation to help measure and maintain an exact radius as you expand outwards, creating a truly round shape. Once your initial ring is set, continue expanding by adding more foundations in concentric rings, gradually increasing the size of your circular base. Now, begin snapping walls onto the outer perimeter of your foundation. For a truly smooth and organic curve, consider using sloped walls or even ramps where appropriate. Double-check that all wall pieces are securely attached to maintain structural integrity and provide robust protection for your base. Finally, it's time to add a roof to your impressive circular base. You can use standard ceilings or sloped roof pieces to create a complete enclosure. Don't forget to incorporate essential elements like doors and windows for access and visibility. For enhanced defense, reinforce critical sections with extra layers or stronger materials. Lastly, personalize your new circular fortress with decorations, crafting stations, and storage to make it truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.